In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel private in Slack. If you're working with sensitive team conversations, project details, HR topics, or financial information, changing a public Slack channel to private is an important way to keep that information limited to the right people. Once a channel becomes private, its message history and shared files are hidden from the rest of the workspace. Only the people who were already in the channel at the time of the change or anyone invited afterward will be able to access it, search it, or view what's inside. Before you begin, there's one very important thing to keep in mind. In Slack, this is a permanent change. Once a public channel is converted to a private channel, it cannot be switched back. If you ever want a public version again, you would need to create a brand new public channel. Also, you'll need the right permissions to do this. Typically, that means being a workspace owner, an admin, or the person who originally created the channel. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the public channel you want to restrict. Public channels are usually marked with a hashtag icon, which makes them easy to identify. Click on that channel to open it. Next, move to the top of the chat window and click on the channel name in the header area. This will open the channel details panel or properties window where you can manage settings related to that channel. From there, click on the settings tab so you can access the privacy options. Now look for the option that says change to a private channel, or in some versions, change privacy. When you find it, click the button labeled change to private. Slack will then show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you understand that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Carefully review that message. And if you're sure you want to continue, click the red change to private button to confirm. As soon as the change is complete, the channel icon will update from a hashtag to a lock icon. That visual change confirms the channel is now private and only visible to approved members. And that's it. You've successfully made your Slack channel private. Just remember to double check the current member list after.